How to fix copyright claim on TikTok. The first thing you want to do is to head over to your application TikTok. So you might be in the position where you post one video with the sound, but it was claimed as a copyright and the video was taken down. So the reason must be that you have used the copyright music. It means that you have used the music owned by someone else. Well, the first solution is you have to contact the particular owner, and the next thing you can do is re-upload the video without that music. Once it has been done, now the next thing you can do is click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner, and then move into settings and privacy. Head over to account. In this page you can see you have business account. So what you want to do is to switch to your personal account. Tap on switch to personal account, and then click on switch anyway. Once you're on your personal account, you will be able to use any kind of music without claiming the copyright, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to fix copyright claim on TikTok. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.